YON WORLD, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over the EIDL loan, the SBA Disaster Loan. I'm giving you an update. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now, if you watch any of my previous videos, you will know the SBA approved me for $7,500. I got approved for $7,500 from the SBA with the disaster loan, the EIDL program. I applied at the end of March 30th, received all of my confirmation the week of May 14th, received all of my confirmation, signed my closing documents on May 16th, and I was expecting my direct deposit to come within 2 days. Now, I did a lot of research. Most people get their direct deposit within 2 days after signing their closing documents. I signed my closing documents on a Saturday night. It was a Saturday night I got the email to the portal. And, you know, just like anybody else, I was waiting on my funding. I was just waiting to be funded, and my application was approved. Everything was confirmed. And come to find out, my bank information was wrong. So I just wanted to make this video for anybody out there that has access to the portal, anybody has confirmed their amount, that has signed closing documents, and that hasn't received funding. Go back into your SBA account, go back into the portal and check your electronic disbursement tab. Now, under the electronic disbursement tab, you will be able to check and see if your bank account is verified. And it wasn't until May the 22nd. Like I said, let me just give you a timeline, because I signed my documents on May the 16th. I didn't realize until Friday, May 22nd, that my bank account information was wrong. So I had to go in there and correct my bank account information. All it was an extra number I put for my account information. It was verified. So I had called the SBA. I had after, you know, the weekend passed, Memorial Day, you know, which is a federal holiday, all the banks are closed, everything. I called Tuesday, which was yesterday. I called the SBA, and I got a tier 2 representative, right? And they said my loan was good. Everything is good with my loan. It's being dispersed, and you know, that, you know, it's currently being processed. So it takes about 2 days to process. And I was looking up if anybody else had this issue, and I saw that a lot of people, you know, were having this issue, that they didn't have the correct banking information, and they talked to a tier 2 representative. I had to call the SBA. I'm gonna put a screenshot up on the screen, but I had to call the SBA and, you know, talk to a tier 2 representative, and they confirmed that all of my information was correct, that it's currently being processed. Everything is being processed on my account. And yeah, that my bank account was verified now. So, you know, I should be receiving my deposit tonight. You know, it should finally come through for me tonight. So I will make an updated direct deposit video. I know a lot of people that have been supporting my last SBA EIDL loan update video 5 days ago. We got 12,000 views. So thank you for everybody that followed me and watched that video and that supported me on that video. But I will keep everybody updated on the SBA, the EIDL loan, you know, the SBA disaster loans, because I know a lot of people are having similar issues, even with issues of getting into the financial access, the capital access system, and checking, you know, your loan status, which everybody is able to do as long as you have an account or application put in for the EIDL loan. You are able to access the capital financial access system on SBA. You are able to access this information. I know a lot of people were having issues with this website because it's a little outdated, but, you know, I just wanted to provide more resources for people that are concerned about the status of their current loan. So yeah, my loan is approved. Everything is good to go. The only issue I had, the only reason why my SBA EIDL loan got delayed was because of my banking information. So I'll check Reddit. You know, I saw a lot of people were having the same issue. I was able to, I caught it in a good amount of time because I was able to go on here and edit it. I read that some people, you know, weren't able to edit it here and they had to call tier 2 to get them to edit it. But I was able to edit my banking information manually. I just went into the electronic disbursement tab, edited my information. It verified it. It was a message at the bottom. I wish I would have screenshotted it. I didn't plan to make this video about my direct deposit being delayed. So, but it was a message at the bottom of the electronic disbursement tab, just basically saying that the account information was not being verified. It was not verified. So, yeah. Now it's notes on my account. They have approved my application. My funding and everything is being processed now. So now it's just a waiting game. And from the tier 2 representative at SBA that I spoke with this morning, I was on the phone for 19 minutes. When we spoke, he told me, or he informed me that you know, it was currently processing, everything was good, and that I should receive it tonight. So it takes about 2 days to process. Like I said, I changed my information on a Friday, right? And, you know, it was probably approved like that Monday, but at the same time, Monday was a federal holiday, so I wasn't expecting anything to process, like as far as a direct deposit on Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, these will be the 2 processing days, and then tomorrow, which is Thursday, I should receive my SBA EIDL Disaster Loan. So anybody out there that has entered wrong banking information for your EIDL loan, just do not panic. Know that this can be fixed. I know a lot of people are nervous and they think, you know, it may be declined, but I was informed by a tier 2 representative if anything is wrong with your account for a long period of time, like say if you didn't notice your bank account information was wrong with your economic injury disaster loan, say if you didn't realize it was wrong, you know, I was told by the tier 2 reps at SBA that they would contact you and they would email you if they tried to disperse your loan and it bounced back. They would email you and tell you to correct your banking information. My loan was being processed and there were no attempts on disbursement because I changed my bank account information in time to stop the full processing of it to a wrong bank account. So I hope this video is helping somebody out there, just to inform anybody coming in late in the live stream. The SBA approved me for $7,500 on May the 16th, right? And I signed my closing documents May the 16th, everything, got in the portal around May the 14th, signed everything May the 16th, right? That was a Saturday night, right? So the following Friday, May 22nd, I didn't realize that my bank account information was wrong until that Friday. So I went into the portal. If you have access to the portal, you can do this to make sure, just to check your bank account information is right before you sign closing documents. I recommend, you know, for a streamlined process with this, is to sign or to make sure all of your information is correct as far as like the electronic disbursement tab. Make sure all of that is correct before you sign the closing documents. That will streamline your loan. But if it is wrong and you catch it before they disperse your loan, you know, before they fully process your loan out into a direct deposit, you will be able to come onto the portal and edit it within the electronic disbursement tab. So yeah, that was the main reason. That was the only reason my EIDL, sorry about that, EIDL loan, SBA Disaster Loan, that's the only reason my loan was delayed, was because I didn't have the right direct deposit information in. And I went on Reddit and I saw a bunch of people having this issue. I contacted tier 2. Everything was good. I could still log into the Capital Access financial system and see that my loan is, current. It's being dispersed right now. It's already generating interest. I'm already generating an interest on this loan. So I need my loan, man. I need my SBA loan ASAP. So yeah, it's your boy Original. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a direct deposit video as soon as it hits my account, just to provide y'all with some more information, some more motivation with the SBA EIDL loan, the SBA Disaster Loan process. It's your boy YON WORLD. I'm out. Peace.